let's talk about Jessie J. Now, I firmly believe that this girl does not get the recognition that she deserves. She is easily one of the most underrated artists of my generation. 100%, 1000%. She's absolutely incredible. Now, I have never reacted to her on my channel, and today we are gonna put her to the test. Some would say the ultimate test because of her song choice. So if you're interested, sit down, relax, and just keep on watching, and let's find out. Is she really as good as I think she is? Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I am your girl, Miss Friday. You guys are the Friday fam, and I do reaction videos. So Jessie J, like I was saying, she is just amazing. You cannot deny it. If you've ever heard her sing anything that hits the charts, it's meant to be poppy. It's meant to be danced to. It's meant to be high on the charts. But that does not mean that she doesn't have a kick-ass voice. It doesn't mean that she doesn't have more talent in her little finger than I do in my entire body. You know what I'm saying? She's absolutely incredible. I know it, and now you're gonna know it too. If you don't know her already, you are in for a treat. If you do know her already, I mean, you might not have seen this, and you're just gonna be just taken to another level of what she can do with her talent. So without further ado, like I was telling you earlier, we are putting her to the ultimate test. She's singing the one, the only Whitney Houston, I Have Nothing. Now, I don't know about you, but that's just a song that you don't touch unless you got the chops. So that confidence right there, that's enough to make me want to click play and sit back and listen to it. So let's do this. Please like this video. Please let me know in the comments what you want me to react to next. And as always, please subscribe to my channel so I can grow and post more videos like this. But let's get into it. This is Jessie J singing I Have Nothing. Why is there no sound? There it is. Okay, Jessie, look how amazing she looks, first of all. God, she can pull off a bob like no other. Gorgeous. Oh, we heart you too. Big chops, let's go. Are you kidding me?
Take my love, I've never asked for too much.
You can ask anything from me.
All that you are and everything that you do. I don't really need to look very much further. I don't want to have to go where you won't follow.
Let's do this. Those little twists.
If I don't have you.
And I'm just gonna stop it right there really quick and just say, wow. Straight away, I was just entranced on her. Like, I was fixated. She commands the stage with the best of them. She really does. I really like how she's so fluid with her movement, even when she's singing, because I feel like when you're performing, it's not just about your voice. It's not just about the music. It's about the full experience, right? We're paying to see you because we want an entertainment of a lifetime, right? And she does that with the best of them. I think that the way she uses her body when she sings, you know, how open she is, just kind of invites you in. It sucks you in even more. And that's just her entertainment value. We're not even talking about her voice yet. I mean, her voice is clear as crystal. It is absolutely stunning. It's crisp. She places those notes so deliberately. Like, she knows exactly what she's doing to try and make it her own. And that's what she's doing with this song. You know, it's a classic. It is one of the best songs to ever be made, to ever be sung by one of the greatest artists to have lived. And I think that she's doing a hell of a job so far. She's making it her own because you have to. You just have to. If you're going to sing this song, you got to make it your own, or else no one's going to like it. But yeah, wow. Let's just keep watching. See what I mean? She uses her whole body.
You see through right to the heart of me. You break down my walls with the strength of your love. Yeah.
Woo!
I never knew love like I've known it with you. Yeah, will our memories survive? One I can hold on to.
She's such a joy to watch. Gosh, so elegant.
Need to look very much further. I don't wanna have to go where you don't follow. I can hold it back again. This passion inside can't run from itself. There's nowhere to hide. Your love, I remember forever.
God damn.
Well, don't make me love one more time. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms every day. I must imagine you there. Don't walk away from me. No, I have nothing.
Oh, I'm not ready. Not ready. God, full body chills.
If I don't have you.
She's so humble too.
I don't have you.
Jessie J, thank you so much.
My God. what do we even say after that? I'm surprised I only paused it one time. I was so hung up by every single word that came out of her mouth. She just kept me focused. And her attention to detail, I mean, like I was telling you earlier, these notes that she's hitting to make it her own are deliberate. They're not just something that she's, you know, just going with, oh, I'm going to place this note here. I guess we'll find out. Like, they're deliberate and they're perfectly executed every single time. I did not hear one mistake, one voice crack, one note out of place. It was absolutely expert done. And I will say this. She's an excellent vocalist. Like, she is absolutely spectacular in her own right. And I'm not even going to say that she was brave to do that song, because a lot of artists are scared to touch Whitney Houston, because she's, you know, she's incredible. She is on a pillar that is through the roof. You know, we just hold her at the highest standard so nobody touches her. But when you're going to do this, and you're going to say, I'm singing Whitney Houston, I'm singing not only Whitney Houston, but like her best song ever, you better sing the hell out of it. You better know what you're doing. And with a song like this, you can't do it exactly like Whitney does it, because you're never going to outsing her. Absolutely no shot are you going to outsing her on her own song. Very few artists I feel like, get outsung on a ballad such as that, right? But if you're going to take that on, you better make it your own, because that's the only shot in hell that you have that people are going to accept it as a great performance. Because if she were to sing it word for word, stylistically, exactly like Whitney Houston, I would have been like, wow, that was spectacular. Really, really well done. But it's still not as good as Whitney Houston. And this performance, to a lot of people, still may not be as good as Whitney Houston. And it doesn't have to be, right? She's doing it as her own. She's performing it and putting her own little twist on it, which makes it more of her performance, right? She's performing it as if it were her song, not I'm coming out here, I'm singing Whitney Houston on like a karaoke machine. It just is not happening with this performance. She is an expert. And I feel like she did the song justice. I feel like she did just as good because she made it her own. So don't come at me in the comments and act like I'm saying that she's doing it better than the OG, because she's not, okay? I'm saying she is just as good because she made it her own. She twisted it a little bit, tweaked it a little bit to make it different, so she can stand out, so she has a freaking fighting chance. But I think I just proved to you guys that this girl is absolutely underrated. She is a spectacular vocalist. She gave me body chills. I was completely hung up on everything she was saying. She's stunning. She's a performer. She's not just a singer, she's a performer, and she just proved that. And I don't know where the hell that performance was, but it was absolutely amazing. And the audience, she had them from the moment she opened her mouth. She had them. And just to watch their joy, witness that beautiful performance, it just can't be beat. So anyway, that was Jessie J. She just sang the hell out of Whitney Houston. So let me know in the comments what you think, what you loved about it. Let me know if you want me to react to more of Jessie J's music. Even though that wasn't her music, let me know just in general if you want to hear more from Jessie J and hear my reaction to it. But other than that, that's about all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for all your love and support. As always, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button so I can grow and so we can post more videos like this. And as always, leave me a comment, leave me a suggestion. The list is growing, but I promise you, I'm trying to get to them, okay? Anyway, I love you guys so much. Have a great day. Bye.